Tracking showers and storms moving across the area this afternoon, bringing us some much needed rain. You can see here on radar, tracking some of that heavier downpour activity, a lot of it near Lexington County and Richland counties just north of Pillion, heading towards I-20 south of Lexington as well. Let's take a closer look at this cell right over the southern portions of Columbia. You can see south of Olympia heading towards Casey, some heavier downpours, and we have seen a couple rumbles of thunder with this, but other than that, at least there's some beneficial rain moving through the area. In fact, you can see some of that heavier rain in our Sumter cam on the horizon there, but Sumter itself, at least downtown Sumter, dry right now, 82 degrees with mostly cloudy skies, winds out of the southeast at 9 miles per hour. Taking a look at the weekend ahead, of course, a big holiday weekend. We're going to keep this rain in the forecast. Friday, 86 degrees with widespread showers and storms. A little bit more hit or miss with our rain activity as we head towards the weekend proper and towards the 4th of July. Temperatures in the 90s. So let's talk about what you can expect as you go forward, not only throughout the rest of tonight, but through the next couple of days. Showers and storms moving through right now should end within the next 2 to 3 hours, and then we're mostly cloudy tonight. Temperatures once again in the lower 70s to start off your Friday morning. Maybe some patchy fog for the commute, but we're warming up already. And notice the shower and storm activity starting a little bit earlier tomorrow. So we're talking around midday where we're seeing some of those storms, and that's going to be mainly, I think, east of I-20, where we see at least some of this heavier and more widespread precipitation. We can see right around noon, we're seeing some rain near Lexington, Columbia, and Camden. Temperatures get to the middle 80s before we start to see that rain pushing through. And then we see another round as we go towards the evening hours, and this is where we watch the I-95 corridor. I think that's where we see most of our precipitation in the second half of the day. And notice a little bit of a spin as well. An area of low pressure moving through the area, and that's why we're going to be so wet tomorrow and why we expect so much precipitation in the forecast. You can see that tropical in nature low off the Texas coast. We also have this small spin off of the Georgia and South Carolina coast that's going to bring us rain tomorrow. As we push things forward in the forecast, well, we're going to continue to see this high pressure off the east coast keep our winds out of the south. So we have all this moisture already in place. We're going to keep feeding that with this southerly wind. And that means that we see pretty much daily chances of showers and storms in the afternoon and evening hours as we go throughout the weekend and even into the beginning of next week. So that's why we expect things to be on the wet side as you head through your holiday weekend and as you go towards the 4th of July. So maybe you're thinking about going out on the lake tomorrow. It's going to be on the wet side. Saturday, it's more of the same. I think it's a little bit drier Saturday and Sunday, though, compared to tomorrow. Temperatures a little bit warmer. We're talking temperatures in the lower 90s. So take a look at your 7-day forecast going forward. 86 degrees tomorrow with widespread storms, scattered storms as we go Saturday and into Sunday. Highs right around 90 degrees. 4th of July itself, another chance of afternoon storms. So we're going to make sure to check the latest forecast on the WLTX weather app before heading out. Stay tuned, we got more friends coming up after the break.